Good evening. My name is Christina Fennell, and I am recording part 2 of the score problem for the Bioinformatics midterm. So here you can see that my directory is loaded. My session is loaded up properly. I erased everything from my global environment. So we're really using the function from part 1, which is the finding by gender function. So you can use that again, but you can source it. You use the source function to find it from the previous file. And because it's located here in the same folder as everything else, I can easily pull it up. So I'm going to run this, and you can see my directory is there, and that my function from find mean by gender function is located properly too. Next, we had to create the test with threshold, and this is a little different. So it's similar to the first function for the mean, but some variations do occur. So you need to add the threshold here. Make sure your files are listed properly. Your p-value is going to be stored here. That's important to note. And so for I and 1, the length of IDs, that's standard. Then the current file standard, the reading that file that you need is standard. Next, you're going to still select for males and then for females. So here's a little bit different. So you want to find the difference between the absolute values for the mean for male and for females. And if that's greater than threshold, then you're going to give have a t-test for the males and females, and then you're going to store that p-value, and then you're going to display that p-value. So I'm going to load this whole function. You can see that it is stored in my global environment. So when I highlight the find me by gender and for the information and the test with threshold, all my information should be lined up like it is in the console. Here you can see that the means for gender are here placed and the p-values placed. Do that again for the second example given, and it's loaded again. So I hope this works. And again, it's very similar to the first function for the mean by gender, but you want to be sure that you're doing the t-test properly, and that you that will display the p-value, but to make sure that you're selecting for the p-value as well before you print it.